लिटरली इतनी नहीं बारिश हो रही है और हम जा रहे हैं बाय बाय फुकेट एंड टू दिस होटल। तो अभी बारिश रुक गई है तो वी डिसाइडेड टू गो टू एयरपोर्ट एज माई टिकट इज़ बुकड। हेलो गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माई चैनल। सो इट्स आवर 5th day in Phuket and today we are going to explore Mai Khao beach, which is very nearby the airport in Phuket. And yes, from there you can get the view of takeoff or landing of the aircraft, and yes, it looks amazing. So let's go with me. Are you ready? It's my 5th day in Phuket and today I'm going back to India. Before going, let's explore the Mai Khao beach. So alright, we have just arrived at Mai Khao beach. It's a part of Sirinath National Park. So it's very clean, peaceful, and yes, the water it's very crystal clear and the vibe is super chill. You won't find beach bars or loud parties here, just nature and the sound of the waves as you can hear right now. It's not that typical crowded beach, it's fun, known for something really special. Planes landing just meter above your head. Yeah, I love this swing, you know. As you can see the view. Guys, so you can see my back side. There is a airport, Phuket Airport, International Airport, and there is a one aircraft which is about to land here. So it will come here. So let's look at that. सो गाइज़ दिस एयरक्राफ्ट एयर एशिया का एयरक्राफ्ट अभी अभी लैंड हुआ है और ये टैक्सी में है. सो कैन यू सी it's very nearby to the airport also, and it's must visiting place there. You must go if you are in Phuket. Please do visit here, make the videos. You can literally feel the wind and hear the roar of the engines. It's an absolute must see if you are visiting Phuket, you know. Can you see this? Oh my god, I love seeing it, you know. Now here comes the highlight of Mai Khao beach, the plane spotting area. Phuket International Airport is literally right next door. It's very nearby and the runway ends just behind this beach. When planes land, they come in super. I'm just waiting for the aircraft. It will come from the back side to here and then we'll make the video. Oh my god यार, जल्दी कैमरा ओपन करो अदरवाइज ये भी एयरक्राफ्ट चला जाएगा. मैंने वीडियो नहीं बना पाई यार एंड इट टुक ऑफ. एयरक्राफ्ट landed over there. I'm standing here at the beach. देखो देखो आ गया. Look at that. Wow, this is so awesome. Oh my god, how the video I forgot to make. So guys, we are here waiting for the aircraft to take off or to land, but it's not yet arrived, so we are still waiting here. So whenever you come here, make sure that you check the flight also, so that you don't have to wait that much of time, you know. Otherwise you will have to wait a lot of time and then waste your time like this, like me. एक तो मैंने सोया नहीं था अच्छे से, ऊपर से इतनी हवा चल रही थी कि मेरी आइज़ क्लोज़ हो जा रही थी, तो मैंने ग्लासेस यूज़ करे. उससे मैं देख ही नहीं पाई कि पीछे एयरक्राफ्ट आ रहा है. बट अभी तो मेरा फ़्लाइट का टाइम हो रहा है तो मैं यहाँ ज़्यादा देर रुकने वाली नहीं हूँ, बट फिर भी मेरा मन है रुकने का. तो ऑलवेज़ प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ एंड डू नॉट कम ऑन द लास्ट लाइक मी. मैंने सोचा कि एयरपोर्ट के पास ही है तो एयरपोर्ट जा रही हूँ, अब इंडिया जा रही हूँ, तो मैं उधर ही से बीच भी घूमूंगी। तो ऐसा मत करना, आप बीच के लिए अलग से टाइम निकाल के यहाँ पे आओ, बिकॉज बीच इज़ वेरी नाइस एंड इट्स वेरी सूदिंग। वंस यू कम हियर ना, यू विल फील कि आपको स्टे करना है एटलीस्ट फॉर 2-3 आवर्स। मैं तो वहाँ पे 1 घंटे ही रुक पाई थी, बट स्टिल यार इट्स वेरी वेरी like very best place. If you like quiet place and if you prefer to be in a quiet place, then it's very good for you. And also take off landing की वीडियो भी बना सकते हो एरोप्लेन के साथ, तो don't forget to give your best time. हाँ यार, आप सेपरेटली आओगे ना तो you will enjoy a lot. And don't forget to bring your sunscreen और जो भी आपका hat and sunglasses guys. This is danger area, not for swimming. I think हम सुबह में गए थे and the best time for the plane spotting is between 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. when most of the flights arrive here. So finally saying bye bye to Phuket till the next time I come here. So I took हम जो कैब से आए थे बुक करके वापस एयरपोर्ट जा रहे हैं, बट आप बस से भी आ सकते। You can just chill and enjoy the peaceful side of Maikau. The sunsets here also beautiful. You can sit on the beach side or walk along the shore. Love you जिंदगी। मुझे अभी पता चल रहा है कि hat is very mandatory for the beach, you know. If you're going to beach, please carry. So bye bye Maikau. My gate number is 15 and I'm going to gate number 15. So it's little far from here, but not that much far because I think airport is quite small and it's good only. You don't have to walk too much. Alright guys, that's it. My trip to Phuket has come to an end. It's been such an amazing experience, from relaxing at Maikau beach to watching those massive planes fly right over my head. Absolutely unforgettable. Now I'm all set to fly back to India, feeling grateful, happy and already planning my next destination. You know what? Travel is not just about the places you see. It's about the moments you collect along the way, and Phuket gave me so many of them. ये वाली बीच है ना, ये माईखाओ बीच है जो नीचे देख रहे हो ना, ये सेम माईखाओ बीच है जहाँ पे अभी मैं फ़ोटोज़ वीडियो ले रही थी एरोप्लेन की। अभी मैं एरोप्लेन में जा रही हूँ, उड़ रही हूँ। अभी कुछ ही देर में मैं इंडिया भी पहुँच जाऊँगी। सो वेलकम टू इंडिया। सो फाइनली वी लैंडेड इन इंडिया। ये देखो हमारा झंडा, हिंदुस्तान का झंडा। And now I'm so hungry, so we'll cook something. Here I'm cooking this noodles. Shin ramen मैंने कुक किया है and I'll have this. If you like, please do watch my videos and do support, do subscribe. See you next